So my name's Mark and I'm from Arrowsmith, Solar and EV. So the most important skill that I've had from Trade Mastermind is probably mastering the spreadsheets, really. It gives such clarity. I know now what I need to do next month to make sure I'm profitable that month, whereas I used to just wait for the phone to ring and run the business from my bank account. So I set targets now based on spreadsheets that Trade Mastermind provide us with. I set a target of 4 last month. I did manage to hit 3. 3 still makes me profitable in that month, and next month I know what I've got to do to make more profit, and I know what I need to put into the business to enable that as well. So when I came to the discovery day, I was still just a jobbing electrician, doing some jobs were up to like 5 grand, and then you were going out sometimes for 80 quid. Whereas now I've sort of scaled most of that work back because I can't forecast it, and April is full of EV work and solar work. So it's a massive transition, especially in ticket value. So my order month for May is about 40k, whereas it would have been about 12 when I started at Trade Mastermind. So end goal, I would like to be a 40-hour week. All business owners, we all work 70, 80 hours a week. I'm expecting that I will still do some of that, but it'd be nice for me to be able to go work in the morning, come home at 4 o'clock and go on holiday for a fortnight, not need to stress that my company is not going to make money in that period, and come back and then carry on working as I would do. So yeah, time with the family would be great. Yeah, so I would recommend Trade Mastermind. There's investment there up front, 100%. It's a nerve-wracking decision when you're just a jobbing electrician. However, if you commit to it and take some risks and make the changes they suggest, the money is there to be made, 100%.